This 2023 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 21G is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This new Grand Design is 26 feet 11 inches in length and features one slide-out, sleeps 6, stove-top burner, auxiliary battery, oven, slide-out, awning, skylight, refrigerator, air conditioning, TV, smoke detector, and 100-gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bath, front bedroom, front entertainment, front kitchen, front living area, mid-kitchen, patio deck, raised patio, rear entertainment, rear living area, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 21G is 6,400 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.